Hi guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a letterhead like this. So if you know you like what you are watching, keep on watching. So first of all, the first thing that I would like to insert is a shape. So we have to go to the Insert tab, locate the shapes here. So this is the shape that I would like to insert. We have it here. So you simply have to come and draw a shape like this, something like this. So after drawing it this way, you can easily move this one to this side, so that it will rotate this side. So we have to remove the outline, so you can easily find the outline here, give it no outline, and the shape fill, that's the color. We'll choose this color here. So you easily have to come and place it around here. Alright, so after that, you have to go back to the Insert tab again and insert a straight line. So I have to go back to the shapes and draw a straight line. So I can easily draw my straight line like this. Alright, so the straight line, you can increase the width of the straight line. So let's right click on it and go to Format Shape. So the width of it, we'll change it to 3. You can make yours 2 if you want. And the color of it, you can choose color black. Alright, so I'll easily bring it here. So I can use my arrow key to shift it down a little bit. I think this way is okay for me. So this one, let's duplicate this one to the top and change this color to black. So you can find it here in the shape fill. We can change that one to color black and send it back. After that, we can now take this one and send it to the top there. We can leave it this way, but let's duplicate this one before. So as I said earlier on, you can use your arrow key to move it the way you want to send it, the place that you want to send it to. So I'm using my arrow keys right now to shift it around. So I want to change the color to this color. So I can easily now also use my arrow keys to move this one also to be placed on top of it. Alright, this way is not bad for me. So I'm not done there. I have to duplicate this one again to this side. So I'll close in this one a little bit. Alright, so you can easily zoom it in to have a clear view of it. So I want to bring this one here. So let me close in this one a little bit. And also this one, let me close it in. Alright, so I think this way is okay for me. So I easily have to duplicate that one also. Let me push it to the left, sorry. Let me push it to the left. So I can easily duplicate it again to this side. But this time around, this one, the width of it will be a little bit smaller than the other one. So I mean this way. Let me increase this one. Alright, so I think this way is not bad for us. So let me zoom out. But if you think you are not okay with it, like this one, if you think you want it to go a little bit closer like this, so you can easily just leave it this way and go to where you can find the shape format is here. So you can locate your edit points here and zoom it in. So you can easily edit your points by pushing this one to this side like this, bringing it to this side, and bring this one also to the other side like this. Alright, so I think this is okay, like this that I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm zooming out. Alright, so the next thing again that I would like to do is to duplicate this one again. So I'm duplicating that one, so I'm increasing the height and the width. So if I do this way, I'll then turn this one to this side and bring it a little bit down. So let me close in this one a little bit. Alright, so let's go back to the insert tab and insert another line. Alright, so let's increase the weight of it again to 3. And the color, we'll be choosing this color. Alright, so I'm duplicating that one and I want to rotate it. Alright, so let me use my arrow key to shift it a little bit. Alright, so lastly again, let's duplicate this one. Alright, so I think we are done with the bottom design. So we are heading to the top. So I just have to take this line again, this line, and duplicate it to the top there, that in the color blue. So I can easily position it here. And again, this one, I'll duplicate it to the top there. Let me change the direction. Alright, so let me duplicate it and close it in. Alright, so it's like it's still a bit bigger, so I'll close it in a little bit again. So I'll bring it here. So I can use my arrow key to place it on top of it. So I'll duplicate this one again. But this time around, let me increase it a little bit. So I think this way is not bad for me. Alright, I think I'm done with that aspect also. So now what you have to do is to insert a couple of text boxes. So the first text box that we insert, I can find it inside the insert tab. So I can locate my text box here. Just click on it and click on the draw text box. So here I can click on it. So I just have to just come and click here. Oops, I didn't click on it well. If I easily click here, it will just insert. So let's remove the outline of the text box. So I'll give you no outline. And the shape fill, I'll give you no fill. So the first text box that we insert there will be the company name. So if you have your company name, you can easily write it there and insert a logo. So but I don't have a company name, so I just write a text called company name inside there. Alright, so I have it in there. So let me zoom it in. So let's format the text. So I'll easily select it like this and go to the home tab. So I'm choosing the area rounded. So you can also choose your font style, but I'm choosing the area rounded. And the font of it, I'm making it 16. I'm even making it bold. But this one, I want the color to be the blue. So which is this one. Alright, so I can close it in a little bit. So you can gently place it here. Alright, so now let's insert our logo here. So I have a logo inside my device. I just have to go to the Insert tab, go to Pictures, click on this device. This is the logo that I have. I easily have to just click on it and click on the Insert button to be inserted. So click on this one and click on Wrap. So it will be wrapped on top of it, so I can easily move it to any place that I want to send it to. I'll gently place it here. Alright, so again, let's duplicate this text to the bottom. Let's remove the bold and the size of it. Let's leave it at 16. So you have to change the text inside there to this one. So you can make that one bold and change the color to black. Go on down there, so that will be the recipient, the one to receive it. So I don't have any name for it. I'll just choose a default name that I've been writing in most of my videos. So which is, I'm going to write Steven Morgan, and at the bottom of it, that will be the address. I don't have an address for it, so I'm just going to go for 1123. So let me close in this one, the layout. Just select it, click on the layout. I want to reduce the spaces in between it. So I'll choose the color blue for that one, the dark blue, which is here. Alright, so let me duplicate it to this side. But this time around it's going to be a date. So I'll change it to date. I don't have any date, so I'll just choose the default date. Alright, so let's zoom out. Let me remove the boldness. Alright, so we can duplicate this one also to the bottom down there. Which is here. Let me increase it a little bit. Alright, so here the body, I don't have any body to give to it, so I'll just automatically generate a random text there by typing RANG. So I'll be needing 3 paragraphs, each consisting of 2 lines. So click on enter to generate it for me. So I can easily bring this one down a little bit. Alright, we are not done, so let me duplicate this one again. Here. So here there must be a position name, something like General Manager. At the top of it, so let me just do it this way. The person has to write the name and the surname. So let me select that one and choose the blue. I can decide to make this one bold. Alright, so I'll easily take this line, duplicate it to the top of it, on top of it, something like this, and increase it here. So let me change the color to black. and the width of it, so I'm changing it to 2. Alright, so I would like to duplicate this one also here. So that one will be the contact. So I'll just go with 000 000 0000. So let me select it and reduce it to 410. I can again duplicate it, and this one will be the location. I don't have any location name, so I'm just going to go for anywhere country. And again, I'll just choose any city. Alright, so let me increase it. Alright, so let's zoom it in. So now, as we have our contact info and even our location there, I would like us to insert an icon for phone and also a location icon. And that one also, I have those icons on my device, so I easily have to go to the Insert tab, go to Pictures, and click on this device. So I have my phone icon here. If I click on it, I'll click on Insert. It will be inserted. So if you click on this one, let's wrap it on top of the text so that you can easily move it freely. Alright, I think something like this. It's not bad for us. Alright, so let's go and insert the location icon also. Wrap. Alright, so let's place this one closer to it. And take this one also to the top of it. Take the phone details closer to it. So let's zoom out. Alright, so as you can see, everything is fit and nice. So thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.